Most people get this wrong and assume vanilla gift card customer service is just a quick phone call with instant fixes. But here's the truth no one tells you. Getting support for gift cards in 2026 is possible, but it follows a very specific process that most users don't understand. In this video you'll learn exactly how to contact vanilla gift card customer service, what issues they actually help with, and how to avoid common mistakes that delay your resolution. Let's jump straight in. First, understand who you are actually contacting. Vanilla gift cards are usually issued by large payment processors behind Visa or MasterCard prepaid systems. That means customer service is not like a regular retail store. It is structured, automated, and heavily verification-based. Now here's where people like Jake get stuck. They call random numbers from unofficial websites and end up waiting hours or talking to scams. So step 1 is simple. Always use the official number printed on the back of your gift card or the official issuer website. When you call customer service, the first thing you will hear is an automated system. This system is designed to handle balance checks, transaction issues, and activation problems. So before speaking to a real agent, you must go through verification. But here's the problem. Most users don't have their card details ready. You will need the 16-digit card number, expiration date, and security code. Without this, your request usually gets blocked immediately. Now here's where it gets interesting. The most common issues customer service actually handles are failed transactions, declined payments, and activation errors. They do not handle things like transferring balance or converting gift cards to cash. For example, Alex tried to recover a declined payment from an online store. Customer service was able to verify the transaction and release a hold on the funds within a few business days. But they did not add extra balance or change the card structure. If you cannot reach them by phone, there is also an online support option. Most vanilla card issuers now provide a support form where you can submit issues like fraud disputes or card activation problems. This is often faster than waiting on hold. But be careful. Never share your card details on random social media pages or unofficial chat services. Scammers often pretend to be support agents in 2026, especially when gift card issues are trending. Also, response times vary. Simple balance or activation issues can take minutes, but disputes or fraud claims may take several business days. So what is the best way to get help? Always start with the official phone number, keep your card details ready, and clearly explain your issue in one sentence. This reduces delays and improves your chances of quick resolution. Now let's quickly summarize. Vanilla gift card customer service is real, but structured. You must use official contact channels, verify your card, and understand what they can and cannot fix. If you found this helpful, hit like, leave a comment with your issue, and subscribe for more real gift card support guides in 2026.